Hey, it's Matt from Black Hole Woodworking. Welcome back. Today I'm making snowman earrings, and I'm going to use the skew to do it. So you saw me use my storyboard there to mark out my lines, and now I'm starting to work on the tail end here. Figured I'd cut in and then make the circle just to see if this little snowman's going to be the right size. Haven't ever made one of these at this size before for earrings. After that, I'm using the V-cut to set the rest of my lines because I thought the bottom end of it looked pretty good. Now it's just really a bunch of beads that I'm trying to turn here. I won't do a lot of talking through this video. You can kind of see what I'm doing. If there's something worth mentioning, I'll point it out. At this point, this guy's pretty much done. All I really have to do is cut it off the wood, except that this is supposed to be a pear. So we're going to end up speeding up the next one a little, because it's the same thing. Alright, this guy's done too. Now it's just a matter of cutting it out again. And I will say my dismount is traditionally terrible. I have to fix that part, but here it goes. Anyway, that's a pear. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Now to find that one,